Here at the Tower Arch Trailhead, 2.6 miles round trip, under 300 feet of elevation gain, and we get to see the marching men along the way. So another good adventure in arches. Feels like all the elevation gain. This hike is right at the beginning. Huffing and puffing. What a beautiful day. I think I say that most of my videos right now. Down at the trailhead, I was the only tourist down there, but Adrian from the Park Service was there painting the outhouse. We had a really nice chat. He lives in Oregon the rest of the year, and I really appreciate all the people in the Park Service who maintain and keep this place so beautiful for all of us to come and enjoy. So thank you all for being the stewards, answering questions, answering the same question probably 72,376 times each day, but really appreciate you all. Thank you. Count one arch right up there, and then count another, and I wonder if I'm seeing Tower Arch right over here. See, this trail is very well caroned, at times aggressively so. Uh-oh, we got uphill and sand here. Gonna be fun. Nothing quite like uphill and sand. Which way from here? Down? Looks like down. Aha! There it is, first view. The thing that I thought was an arch in a tower was not Tower Arch. This is gonna be cool to see up front close. Hello, Tower Arch. Pretty neat. Fun. And there's the tower. Stunning. Simply stunning. Klondike Bluffs trailhead is what we want. Leaving the arch, there are a lot of social trails. And although I was following what I thought were signs, and I did come across signs along the way, I was headed off to the right when I knew I wanted to be going left. And every time I found a trail that I thought was the right one, playing footprints, it would peter out. Now, thankfully, I felt confident. I knew where I needed to get to. But this was a nice moment to pull out my Garmin watch. And as I thought I was over to the right, was able to use it in real time to navigate back to my original track. And now here I am at the top of that sandy hill that I did not enjoy coming up. Cool little pedestal here. Very cool texture to the stone right here. I think that might be from ripples. Let's get one last view here before we start heading down to the car. Just ran into a nice couple from the Salt Lake area. Nice excuse to stop, catch my breath, have a little chat with friendly people, talk about other trails to do. Looking back over to the right, there's the main part of Arches where the paved road is. Do some more of those hikes tomorrow, I think. Half a mile or less, give or take, back to the car in the parking lot. There's the parking lot. 4 cars in it. I've only passed 2 other parties, so I wonder where the third one is and where I passed them in the night. Right, going down, I think we will put the camera away so I do not plummet. Our outhouse with a fresh coat of paint, thanks to Adrian. Here we are at the trailhead. This is a fun one because it's dirt road, fewer people. Safely back to the car. My watch says 3.89 miles, 2 hours, 34 minutes. That's a lot longer because of my little detour, as well as the fun I had going back and forth on the arch and running to set up a tripod and whatnot. So all told, very fun. Oh, and here comes someone down the trail. So that explains the mysterious third car that I was unsure of. Good hike. Very happy. Beautiful day. Arches. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Maybe 11 out of 10. 11 out of 10.